National income can be calculated using three methods: income method, expenditure method, and production method. In this video, we'll focus only on the expenditure method. If you want the other two methods, comment income or production. National income is the total value of goods and services produced in a country. The expenditure method calculates this by adding all spending in an economy. Let's look at the core formula. National income equals c plus I plus g plus the difference of x and m. First, C stands for consumption. This represents spending by households on goods and services. This includes everyday expenses like food, clothes, and rent. Next, I stands for investment. This is spending by businesses to grow their operations. It includes purchases of machines, buildings, and essential equipment. Then we have G, which is government spending. This is expenditure by the state. This covers public services such as roads, schools, and national defense. Moving to the international sector, X represents exports. These are goods and services produced domestically but sold to other countries. On the other hand, M represents imports. These are the goods and services that our country buys from abroad. The term X minus M is known as net exports. It is simply the difference between what we export and what we import. Let's look at an example. Suppose consumption is 50, investment is 20, and government spending is 20. If exports are 30 and imports are 20, then our net exports equal 10. Adding these together, the national income for this economy is 100. In simple terms, the expenditure method calculates national income by adding total spending in an economy. I hope this explanation was clear. Thank you for watching and stay focused on your studies.